Children, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nursery class, welcome back once again to your English class. Class nursery, get ready with your 4-line copies, pencil and eraser. Today I am going to teach you match pictures with the correct word. You can see on the left side I have pasted some pictures in your 4-line copy, and on the right side I have written the name of the pictures. Now what you have to do is you have to see the pictures and you have to find out the name of the picture given on the right side, and you have to match the picture with its correct name. Okay, so children, get ready with the 4-line copies, pencil and eraser, and pay attention, look here and do it carefully. So you can see which picture is this. Who will tell me which picture is this? Yes, this picture of a bun. Now you have to find out the bun written on the right side. This is BUS bus. Is this the right answer? No. This is CUP cup. This is also not the right answer. This is BUN bun. Yes, this is the right answer or the right word. You have to match it, bun, with its correct word, BUN bun. Now this is the picture of a nut. Now find out nut from the words written on the right side. This is BUS bus. This is not the correct word. This is CUP cup. This is BUN bun. This is NUT nut. So this is the correct name of the picture. So you will match it with the nut, NUT nut. Okay children? Now who can tell me which picture is this? This is a picture of a bus. Now find out the bus from the right side, the words given on the right side. Find out the bus from here and match it with the bus. This is BUS bus. Now find out the bus from the right side word. This is BUS bus. Is this the right answer or not? Yes, this is the right answer. So you will match bus with its correct word, BUS bus. Now which picture is this? This is a picture of a cup. Now you find out cup written on the right side, then match it with the picture cup. This is BUS bus. This is CUP cup. So is this the right answer? Yes, this is the right answer. So match cup with its correct word, CUP cup. Now this is a picture of a gun. So what will you do? You have to find out the word from the here written the right side and match it with the correct word. So this is BUS bus. This is CUP cup. This is BUN bun. This is NUT nut. This is SUN sun. This is SUT hat. This is GUN gun. Is this the right answer? Yes, this is the right answer. So match gun with its correct word, GUN gun. Now this is a picture of a tub. So find out tub from the words written on the right side and match it with the correct word. This is BUS bus, CUP cup. This is BUN bun. This is NUT nut. This is SUN sun. This is HUT hut. This is GUN gun. This is TUB tub. So this is the right answer of this picture. This is the correct name of the picture. So match tub with its correct name, TUB tub. Now who can tell me which picture is this? It's a picture of the sun. So find out the sun from the words written on the right side and match it with the sun. This is bus, cup, BUN bun, NUT nut. This is SUN sun. So this is the right word of this picture. So match it with the correct word sun, SUN sun. Now which picture is this? It's picture of a hut. Yes, it's picture of a hut. So now match hut with the correct word written on the right side. This is BUS bus. This is CUP cup. This is BUN bun. This is NUT nut. This is SUN sun. This is HUT hut. So it is the right answer of this picture or the correct name of the picture. So match it, hut, this picture with its correct name, HUT hut. So children, you have seen I have matched bun with its correct name, BUN bun, nut with its correct name, NUT nut, bus with its correct name, BUS bus, cup with the correct word, CUP cup, gun with its correct name, gun, tub with the correct word, tub, sun with the correct name, sun, and hut with HUT hut. So children, you have seen I have matched these pictures. Do the practice of this, matching these pictures at home. Okay, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.